Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OnePlus Nord Buds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 10 minutes by using this USB-C port, and disconnect these earbuds from any previously connected devices. And next, all you have to do is just open this charging case and find this button. It's actually located next to the USB-C port. It appears right here, as you can see. So you have to click and hold this button for around 2 seconds until this indicator starts blinking like that. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so put it close to your device and do not close this cover. You have to open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and select the OnePlus Nord Buds from the list, accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and in the next step I can recommend you to open the Play Store if you are using the Android phone, or if you are using the Huawei phone, you have to go to the app gallery and type Hey Melody. That's the application that we are going to use. So click install. Right now let's open. Accept all of these permissions and then click to add your device. Click to the settings, accept all of the permissions. Let's click to add device one more time. Right now it is looking for the nearby devices, but when we successfully connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them in the application. So click connect, and there we go. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.